So this is the length of my crotch. So I'm going to make the center front and the center back together. This will be my back, and this will be my front. This will be the side where I'm going to shape. So the next thing we're going to do is how do you determine your crotch depth? It will be up there. So the next thing is determine the depth. The length of your short. I actually want it like 14, so I'm going to add like half inch to it. And for this short, I've added the waist is inclusive. The waist is inclusive. The waist is inclusive. That is the waistband is inclusive. So at the end of the day, since I'm going to check out my waist for the feet. So I'm going to make this 0, 1, and 2. This is my crotch depth. Crotch depth plus line. This will be my line. And crotch line. And this is the length. So the next thing you're going to do is to determine quarter of your hip measurement. I'm starting with the center back. Quarter of your hip measurement plus quarter inch. That's for ease allowance. To connect. So I'm going to make here 3 and 4. Then you divide this. You divide this into 2. Whatever your answer is, you take it to 4 to 5. You add half inch to it or quarter. This is a B scale. Okay. So this will be now 5. And the next thing is I'm almost done. Then you do same here. You measure what you have in this direction. You measure it down here. Then I'm going to be able to shape. Sorry. So here I'm going to take it in by half inch. So that's about that. If you want, you can take it 1 inch. So this will be my 6. So for my 7, I'm going to do almost the same thing I did here. Quarter hip. So quarter hip here. Quarter hip. So I'm going to connect in this direction. Okay. So like already we have 6, so this will be 7, 8. So to determine 9, what do? You divide this 8 to 1, you divide it into 4 parts, that is your hip, into 4. Whatever you have, you measure in this direction. So this will be our hip. Take it down like this. Take it down in that direction. So the next thing is, I'm going to go back to center back. Divide this into 2. That's 4 to 5 divided into 2 in this direction. So let's say 4 8. Number 6 is not right, so we're going to take number 6 again. We're going to take number 6 again. So number 6 is going to fall. Let me make here number 6. Number 6. So I'll just make here number 6. Just forget the shaping there. So on 3, you're going to measure up 2 inches. You measure up 2 inches in this direction. So I'm going to make that. Our last number was 9. I'm going to make that 10. I'm going to make it 10. So you connect 10 to 4A. Connect to 4A. Now let's shape the waist so we can connect it. So to shape the waist, measure in your dart interval. So I'm using 3.5. Then your dart width is my dart width is 1 inch. you want, you can use less by 3.5. By 3.5. So let's shape the waist. That is the person's waist is let's shape you shape your waist. That is quarter of your waist plus that width plus that width. So it's going to be 3 to 3A. Then you connect with a straight row first in this direction. You connect it with a straight row. Then you connect your darts. You take your darts up. Sorry. Before you take your darts up, you need to curve it. You need to curve it. Probably like that. It shouldn't be that straight. Then you take your darts up. Then, sorry, we didn't determine the waist to hip. So your waist to hip measurements, you need that somewhere here. So your waist to hip is where you connect on the side in this direction. Waist to hip. You can use either of the side of the curve. So this is the center back, like I said earlier. If you want, you can make this into two. It's very, very simple. So we need to determine the diagonal line. So what do? We place this in this direction. Sorry, to locate the angle. To determine the angle. Sorry. So I have angle 45. Yeah. And take it like that. So what we want to do is to shape the cross. So you measure 1.5 on that diagonal line, then you take it up, take it down in this direction. So we have our center back almost ready. We have it almost ready. So, I talked about this position for 6 wasn't the right one, so I'm going to adjust it now. So how do you do that? You're just shaping the lower part, that's the legs. All you need to do is measure the distance between 4A and 5. 4A and 5. And you do that, locate the midway. Locate the midway in this direction. Then you take it down on a straight line. So I'll make that 6A, then this will be 5A. Then you connect 5 to 6A in this direction. So that's how to shape that part. That's how to shape that part. So let's go back to center. Let's go to center front. So on this angle where 8 is, you're going to locate your diagonal line like we did with the center back. So angle 45. Take it in this direction. Here I use 1.5 inch. So here I'm going to use 1.25. That is 1.25 inch. 1.25 inch. So I hope we understand. So I hope you understand that part. So on 7 here, you're going to measure inwards half inch. That is inwards half inch. You measure that, and when that is done, we're going to connect like that. That is, we connect in this direction. Okay, then you take this part to 9. It's very easy. Just ensure you have your top view. So that is that. So the next thing we're going to do is to shape here, like we did the center back. You measure your 3.5. That is if you're using 3.5. If your dart interval is 3.5, and my dart width is 1 inch. So to shape is 1 inch. Then this will be 3 inches. If you want, you can use more. If you so desire, you can use more of that. More of that. It can be longer and it can be shorter. Depends on what you want to achieve. So since I have this is 3 inches. Since I have this in place now, I'll measure. I'm going to measure a quarter of my hip. Quarter of my waist plus 1 inch for that from here. So let me make here 7A inward. So this is where it is. Then I'll connect to my hip, the waist to hip measure depth. I hope that is clear. And again, I'm going to take from 7A. I'm going to take it down to 7B by ½ inch. Then I'll connect to my waist. I think we need to give that measurement. So I will say let me say 7C. Let me say 7C. So that's a 7A to 7B is ½ inch down to 7C. So we need to do what we did here. We need to do it here. So what do? Measure what you have here. Measure what you have. Divide it into 2. Take it down. Take it down in this direction. So let's make here 9A. Then you connect. That is 9 to 9B. You can make it 9B. So we are almost done. Though there's not so much to do, we are almost done. I hope we understand how we achieve this. So if you're going to take your waistband out of here, all you need to do is to measure the measurement of your waist, which is 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Then you connect in this direction. I'm going to use dotted line. So which means you're going to trace this separately. So this part will be what you're going to cut out of your fabric. So you're going to do the same on the center front. That's if you want to use it for shorts, and if you want, you can add to it on the waist. What I meant is if you want it to be like a high waist, you can add to it. Depends on what you want. So this will be our brand waist band, and if you don't want it that way, you can do it any other way you want. So if it is for play suit, if you're using it for play suit, jumpsuit, because for jumpsuit it means you're going to extend it. If you're using it for play suit, it means you don't need to use the dot line. You just use it. If you want to shape the side of the leg, it's very simple, very simple. All you need to do is from 2, you measure ½ inch inwards on both sides. Then you take it you shape it to your hip, to your waist, to your hip, measure the depth, to your waist to hip depth in this direction. It's very simple. This is the side, like I said earlier. So it means we're going to cut in this direction. That's front. I hope we're cool with that. So let's look at it.